Harvey Specter is a style icon. His wardrobe perfectly defies power, precision, and confidence. But here's the thing, it's not just about his suits, it's the fit, the details, and the attitude that I think make his style legendary. In this video, I'll show you how you can replicate his look step by step, even if you're working on a modest budget. I'm Mark and I teach men how to become modern gentlemen. Let's start with the foundation, the suit. Harvey Specter is all about slim fit, peak lapel suits. Now, these aren't just any suits. They're tailored to perfection. He sticks to classic business suits in powerful colors like navy, charcoal, and black, and sometimes adds a three-piece suit for extra sophistication. I think what makes his style really stand out though are the roped shoulders. This creates a structured, contemporary silhouette that exudes authority. If you're shopping for something similar, look for brands like Canali and Tom Ford. They specialize in sharp, tailored designs that align with Harvey's aesthetic. Now, if you're on a budget, don't worry. Brands like Suit Supply, Charles Tyrrell, and Hockerty can help you achieve a comparable look. The key is ensuring the suit fits perfectly, so bring them to your tailor and don't settle for baggy jackets or loose trousers. A well-fitted suit instantly elevates your presence, just like Harvey's. Next up, shirts. Harvey keeps it simple but sharp. His go-to options are crisp white or light blue shirts, always tailored to fit like a glove. He usually opts for high-quality cotton or linen for that clean, polished look. If you're aiming for Specter-level sophistication, brands like Tom Ford or Ralph Lauren Purple Label are great options. However, you can also find excellent shirts from more affordable brands such as Brooks Brothers, Hawes & Curtis, and Banana Republic. Just make sure they're slim fit and wrinkle-free. And here's a tip. Pay attention to the collar. Harvey's shirts typically feature a classic wide collar, structured and proportionate to his face shape, which sits perfectly under his tie, completing the sharp look. He often chooses barrel cuffs, though he occasionally opts for French cuffs with simple cufflinks for added elegance. This attention to detail ensures his assemblance remains both powerful and refined. Now let's talk about accessories. The small details that make a huge difference. Harvey often goes for silk ties in solid colors or subtle patterns. He usually ties a full Windsor knot, but if that feels too formal for your style, a simple 4-in-hand knot is a versatile alternative. He also keeps his cufflinks simple and elegant, polished, understated, but always refined. If you're looking to invest, brands like Montblanc, Dunhill, and Cartier offer luxurious options that complement a sharp suit. For more budget-friendly alternatives, consider Hawes & Curtis, T.M. Lewin, or Amazon Essentials, which provide stylish designs without breaking the bank. Then there's the watch. Harvey is seen wearing a Patek Philippe 5004 P-021, a platinum perpetual calendar chronograph worth $350,000. While impressive, it was likely a replica used for filming. You can start with brands like Seiko or Tissot for a similar vibe. The Seiko Speedmaster SSC 813 specifically is just beautiful. Finally, let's talk about Oxford shoes. Harvey's choice of footwear is classic, polished, and always black. For premium options, check out brands like John Lobb, Crockett & Jones, and Church's, known for their exceptional craftsmanship and durability. If you're looking for something more affordable but still stylish, brands like Merman, Loki, and Beckett Simonon offer quality Oxford at a fraction of the price. Harvey Specter's style isn't just about suits, it's about how he wears them. His fit is flawless, his accessories are on point, and most importantly, he carries it with confidence. So here's the key takeaway. Focus on fit, invest in a few quality pieces, and pay attention to the details. Whether you're walking into a meeting, a date, or just your favorite coffee shop, dressing sharp gives you that edge. And remember, Style is an extension of who you are. Own it and you'll not just look like Harvey Specter, you will feel like him too. Let me know if you found this helpful, and if you want to join a network of gentlemen, click the first link in the description and join my free gentleman community. It's a great way to meet others and learn more about being a gentleman.